hi, and now we proceed to the next subtopic, which is tangent and normal. Okay, so for the first question, they say if x is equal to 2y squared plus 4y cubed, determine the function of dx over dy and then evaluate it for y equal to 2. So remember before this, when we have a function y and then let's say inside we have x squared minus 1, and then when we want to differentiate, we get dy over dx, right? By right here, we actually differentiate y with the respect of x. By right, we differentiate the variable x inside the function. But then here, for this equation, we have x is equal to 2y squared plus 4y cubed. And then we have to differentiate or find the dx dy. That means we have to differentiate x with the respect of y. That means inside this function of x, we have to differentiate y here. Okay, and then evaluate it for y equal to 2. Okay, so we proceed, yeah. So the first step is, okay, right now, extract all of the information. We have x is equal to 2y squared plus 4y cubed. And then they ask us to find the x dy, right? So dx dy, differentiate only lah. Differentiate what? Differentiate y. Okay, 2 you bring in front, you're going to get 2 multiplied with 2. Y square you maintain, and then the power you minus with 1. Okay, and then here, plus with, we have 4y cubed, right? To the power 3 you bring in front, 3 multiplied with 4. Y cubed you maintain, put power minus 1. And you're going to get 4y to the power of 2 minus 1 become 1, plus with 3 multiplied by 4 become 12y to the power of 2. So this is your dx dy. Now they say evaluate it for y equal to 2. That means when y equal to 2, you have to substitute this y into dx dy. What is dx dy? So you have 4 multiplied by 2 plus with 12y square, which is 2 square. Here you will get 8. 12 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 square become 12 multiplied by 4. You're going to get 48 here. The answer is 56. Like that. Okay, so settle for question 1. Now we proceed to the question 2. Calculate the values of dy dx at the point where y is equal to 3 if the equation of the curve is this guy. Okay, so by right, what they want is you have to find what is the value of dy dx when y is equal to 3. So right now, what we have to do is, okay, so we have to find the value of x that, okay, what we have to do is find dy dx and then we substitute the value of x inside. What value of x right now? Because we don't have value of x, right? So we have to find from y is equal to 3. So when y is equal to 3, your y to x square, can we have right, we have y is equal to x square plus 1, right? Okay, by right, when y is equal to 3 to x square plus 1, from here you substitute y inside, and then what you have to do is find the value of x. So you bring 1 to the left side, you're going to get negative 3 minus 1 to x square. Here you got 2 to x square, and then 2 you bring to that side, 2 divided by 2, x square become 1 ba? X square. So here x square become 1, and then if you want to find x, you have to put plus minus 1. So which is the answer is plus minus 1 here. Okay, you have to find what is the value of dy dx when x is equal to 1, when x is equal to negative 1. So now find dy dx first. So this is your y to x square plus 1. Dy dx is equal to, you bring 2 in front, you're going to get 2 multiplied by 2. X square, you copy, minus 1 plus 1. When you differentiate, becomes 0. So here you will get 4x. So this is your dy dx. Now, you have two value of x, right? When x is equal to 1. And another one is when x is equal to negative 1. Okay, and then you substitute inside. Dy dx is equal to 4 multiplied by x, which is equal to 1. Okay, you will get is equal to 4 here. And then you do for the next one when x is equal to -1. So your dy dx is equal to 4 multiplied by -1, which is equal to -4. So this is your answer, this one and this one. Okay, that's it for question 2. Okay, we proceed to the next question, which is question 3. Determine the gradient of tangent. Okay, determine the gradient of tangent. Okay, when y is equal to x plus 4 at x equal to 1. Remember gradient of tangent? We have mt. So how to find mt? We differentiate first, dy dx, and then we substitute the value of x inside. So what value of x? X is equal to 1. Okay, so first step, extract information. We have y is equal to x multiplied with x plus 4. Can we differentiate like this? No, it's not easy. So you expand one by one. So x multiplied by x become x squared. X multiplied by 4 become 4x. Okay, differentiate this guy, dy dx. You're going to get equal to 2 you bring in front, 2x. Plus 4x become 4 when we differentiate. Okay, so this is your dy dx. And what you guys have to do is, since we want to find mt, okay, you substitute to find, okay, find mt, mt, what you have to do is substitute x is equal to 1 into dy dx. Okay, so when x is equal to 1, dy dx is equal to, okay, 2 multiply with 1 plus with 4. Total is 6. So this is your gradient of tangent. mt is equal to 6. Okay. So that's it for question 3. Now, we proceed to the question 4. Identify the points on the curve y is equal to 1 over 3x cubed minus 1 over 2x squared where their gradient of tangent are equal to 2 using the first order derivative. So by right here, they want us to find the points on the curve where their gradient are equal. Okay, so they say gradient are equal to 2. Okay, mt is equal to 2. What does it mean by mt equal to 2? When we substitute the value of x inside, dy dx is equal to 2. Now we have y is equal to 1 over 3x cubed minus 1 over 2x squared. First step is we differentiate first. Then you're going to get 3 you bring in front. So 3 multiplied with 1 over 3x to the power of 3 minus 1. And then 2 you bring in front also. Minus -2 multiplied with 1 over 2x squared minus 1 the power. Okay. Then here you're going to get x squared. This one can cross also, minus with x. Okay, so this is your dy dx. So dy dx is equal to x squared minus x. But then inside the question, they provide us information where gradient of tangent mt is equal to 2. When mt is equal to 2, that means dy dx is equal to 2. So here dy dx is equal to 2, x squared minus x. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to find the value of x from this guy. Okay, so you want to make it more neater, you change the position, you bring 2 to the left side. Okay, so x squared minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Then from here, what you can do is find x. So how to find x? If you see this is a quadratic form, right? Then we can use factorization. If you want to use calculator also can. So here you will get x plus 1, x minus 2 equal to 0. Then you separate them, x plus 1 equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0. Then one value of x is -1, another one is equal to 2. So this is your 2 value lah. Okay, so when you have like this, what you have to do is you have to find the point. So you already have x. Okay, so what you have to do is when x is equal to -1, y is equal to, then you substitute inside which y? This y. Okay, which is you will get 1 over 3 multiply with -1 cube minus 1 over 2. Oh, I think I have to... Okay, I think I have to clean this one. Okay. So we have... I'll make it... Oh, sorry. Okay, this one I remove. Okay. Now, when x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to 1 over 3 multiplied with negative 1 cube minus 1 over 2 multiplied with negative 1 square. So, substitute inside, you're gonna get equal to negative 5 over 6. So, from this, you get one coordinate which is negative 1, negative 5 over 6. Then the next one we have when x is equal to 2, substitute inside y, 1 over 3 multiply with 2 cube minus 1 over 2 to the power of 2 equal to 2 over 3. So the answer you will get here is 2 over 3. That is the point. This is the 2 points that you have to identify. Okay. So I proceed to the next question. Okay, question 5. Write out the equation of tangent of the curve at the point 1, 3. So equation of tangent. So by right we want to write y minus y1 equal to mt multiply with x minus x1. Okay. So we already have our y, already have the point. This point is actually our x1, y1. Okay. So do we have empty? No, we don't have. How to find empty? We have to differentiate. Okay. Differentiate first. dy dx. Okay. So your y is equal to x squared plus 2x. So by right, when you differentiate 2, you bring in front, you're gonna get 2x. Plus with 2x, you differentiate, become 2. And then second step is you have to substitute x is equal to 1 inside dy dx. Then you're gonna get 2 plus 2 become 4. So this is your dy dx, or your mt is equal to 4. You already have everything right now. Then you substitute inside this equation. Y minus y1. Y1 is equal to 3. And then mt is equal to 4. Multiply with x minus with x1 is equal to 1. And then you expand all of this. Y minus 3 equal to 4x minus 4. Then negative 3 you bring to the right side, you're going to get 4x minus 4 plus 3. You will get equal to 4x minus 1. So this is your equation of tangent. Okay, so that's it for question 5. Now we proceed to the next question. Write out the equation of normal to the curve. Okay, equation of normal to the curve. Y is equal to 1 over x at the point where the coordinate is x is equal to 2. Now, when we want equation of normal, by right we have to do y minus y1 equal to mn multiply with x minus x1. Now, inside the question, they give us y already and then x coordinate. So, by right, x1 is equal to 2. But do we have y1? No, we don't have. How to find y1? Just use the curve. Y equal to 1 over x. So to find y1, so you substitute lah. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 over 2. So your y1 is this guy lah right now. And then the next one, do we have mn? No, we don't have. How to find mn? Mn is equal to negative 1 over mt. So do we have mt? No, we don't have mt. So how to find mt? We differentiate y, become dy dx, and substitute x is equal to 2 inside. So first step is find dy dx, where our y is equal to 1 over x. Okay, Then easier for you to differentiate, change this to index. So your y become x to the power of negative 1. So you bring negative 1 inside. So a negative 1 in front. So negative 1. Okay. And then x to the power of negative 1 minus with 1. Then you're going to get negative x to the power of negative 2. Okay. From here, what you have to do is, okay, either you can change this to negative 1 over x square also can lah. Okay, so this is your dy dx, and what you have to do is substitute when x is equal to 2 inside. So to find mt is equal to, substitute what x is equal to 2 inside x here. So you're going to get negative 1 over 2 square, where you will get here is equal to negative 1 over 4. So that is your mt. No, now you already have your mt, you have to find your mn. Mn is equal to negative 1 over mt. So negative 1 divide with negative 1 over 4, you're gonna get equal to 4. Okay. And then here, you have mn, you have x1, you have y1. Substitute inside this formula. So y1, y minus y1 equal to mn x minus x1. So y minus y1, y1 is 1 over 2, equal to mn, we have 4. Multiply with x minus x1, we have 2. And then you expand this guy, make it in the form of mx plus c. For x minus with 4 multiplied by negative 2 become negative 8. Okay, you bring negative 2 to the right side, 1 over negative 1 over 2 to the right side, you get 4x minus 8 plus with 1 over 2. Here you will get equal to 4x minus 15 over 2. So this is your final answer for equation to the normal. Okay, now we proceed to the next question 9, where you have to construct the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3 at the point 2, 5. Express them in the standard form. So we have to write the equation in tangent and normal. So equation of tangent, by write y minus y1 equal to mt x minus x1. Okay, for normal, y minus y1 equal to mn x minus x1. So x1 and y1 we already got here. Okay, do we have mt and mn? We don't have, so we have to find. How to find mt? Differentiate first. Differentiate y, which is y equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay, differentiate, you're gonna get 2x plus with 2, negative 3 here, you will become 0 when you differentiate. And then you have to substitute x equal to, you take this guy, x is equal to 2 into dy dx. Okay, so mt become 2 multiplied by 2 plus with 2, it is equal to 6. So this is your mt. Now for mn, how to find? Negative 1 over mt. So you're going to get negative 1 over 6. So you already have your mt and mn. Now you just find the equation of normal and tangent law. Tangent first. Okay, y minus y1 equal to mt x minus x1. So y minus y1, we get y1 is equal to 5, equal to mt is 6, x minus x1 is equal to 2. So you expand this guy, you're going to get 6x minus 12, negative 5 you bring to the right side, you're going to get 6x minus 12 plus with 5, so 6x minus with 7. Here your y. But then the question said they want in the standard form. By right, you have to put it equal to 0. You must make it equal to 0 when they mention standard form. So you bring 6x and minus 7 to the right side, plus negative 6x plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, this is for equation of tangent. Now we do for equation of normal. Okay, you have y minus y1 equal to mn x minus x1. Okay, your y1 is equal to 5, mn is equal to negative 1 over 6. So you put negative 1 over 6, x minus x1 is equal to 2. Then you expand this guy, you're going to get negative 1 over 6x. Okay, plus with plus 2 over 6. Okay, and then you bring negative 5 to the right side first. Negative 1 over 6x plus 2 over 6 plus with 5. Then here you're going to get negative 1 over 6 x plus with 16 over 3. Okay, now to since we want to make sure that all of these are we want to make it standard form, right, equal to 0, so you bring everything to the right side. Okay, 6x plus with 16 minus with 16 over 3 equal to 0. And then here, even though it is equal to 0, it's still not in the standard form because we have fraction. So what we have to do is we have to remove this fraction. So we have to multiply with 6. Then you're going to get here, okay, 6y plus with x minus with 32 equal to 0. Okay, so either you want to change it x, y like this, change the position, or you want to maintain this one, also can. This guy also, if you want to change it, become negative 6x plus y plus 7 also can. It's up to you. Okay, both are acceptable. Just make sure that when they mention standard form, cannot have fraction, and must make sure that it one side must be equal to 0. Okay, so we proceed to the next question, which is question 10. Construct the equation of normal to the curve y to x plus 3, x minus 4 at the point where the coordinate is equal to 2. They ask us to find the equation of normal and then the equation in gradient form by writing the y equal to mx plus c lo. Okay, so we have curve which is y equal to 2x plus 3, x minus 4. Okay, and then here they want us to find equation of normal by write y minus y1 equal to mn x minus x1. Okay, so the first step is we have to find, do we have x1 and y1? We have x1, which is x1 is equal to 2. Now we have to find y1. Okay, to find y1, just substitute x equal to 2 into y. So you will get, wait, let me substitute first. Okay, total you will get 4y become negative 14. Okay, use calculator lah this one if you don't feel complicated, but this one easy to calculate lah. Okay, and then now what we have to do is we already have y1. This guy is y1 right now, and then we have to find mn. To find mn, you have to find mt first. Okay, mt, to find mt, you differentiate. Okay, so find dy dx. So your y you expand first. Okay, expand y to x plus 3, x minus 4. You expand, we come to x squared minus 8x plus 3x minus 12 to x squared minus 5x minus 12. So this is your y. Then differentiate first, dy dx, you're gonna get 4x minus 5 minus 12. When we differentiate, become 0 lah. So this is your dy dx, and then substitute when x is equal to 2 inside. So when x is equal to 2, dy dx is equal to 4 multiplied by 2 minus 5, you're gonna get 3. So this is your dy dx when you substitute. So your mt is equal to 3 right now. To find mn, so negative 1 over mt. So negative 1 over 3 loh, your mn. So you already got your mn. Substitute inside the equation here. So y minus y1. y1 is equal to negative 14 just now. Okay, equal to mn, we have negative 1 over 3. X minus x1, x1 is equal to 2. So y plus 14 equal to negative 1 over 3x plus with 2 over 3. Okay, and then here, you bring positive 14 to the right side, you're going to get negative 1 over 3x plus with 2 over 3 minus with 14, you're going to get negative 1 over 3x minus 40 over 3. So, this is your final answer for question 10. Okay. So, what you guys have to do is attempt question 6 for this subtopic tutorial. Okay, thank you.